Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a rectangle and it has been divided into four small rectangles. The area of this rectangle is 18 square units and the area of this rectangle is 24 square units. The area of this rectangle is 12 square units and we have to find the area of this rectangle. Consider the width of this green rectangle is A. So consider this as A and the length of this rectangle as B. So consider this length as B. As the area of a rectangle is length times width and the length of this rectangle is B and width is A, so the area will be A times B. So we can write A times B. This is the area of this rectangle and this is given as 18. So we can write AB is equal to 18. Again, this length is B, so this length will also be. So the length of this yellow rectangle will be B and consider the width of this rectangle as C. So this length is C. Again, the area of this rectangle will be B times C, which is given as 24. So B times C is equal to this area, which is 24. As this length is C unit, so this length will also be C unit. So the width of this rectangle is C and consider the length of this rectangle as D. So this is D. And the area of this rectangle is C times D. So we have C times D is equal to this area, which is 12. So C times D is equal to, we have given its area as 12. Now the width of this rectangle as same as this A, so this will be A. And as this is D, so this length will also be D. So the area of this unknown rectangle is A times D. So we have to find the value of A times D. This is unknown. Consider this as equation number 1, this as equation number 2, and this as equation number 3. We have to find AD. So if we multiply equation 1 and equation 3 and divide it by equation 2, so equation 1 times equation number 3 and divided it by equation number 2, we will get from equation 1 AB times from equation 3 CD divided by equation 2, which is B times C, is equal to equation 1 right side is 18 times equation 3, which is 12 divided by equation 2, which is 24. Or this b and this b will cancel out, and this c and this c will cancel out, and it will remain a times d. So left side is a times d is equal to this 12, it will divided by 24, this will remain 2, and this 2 divided this 18, and it will be 9. So the value of AD is equal to 9. We have to find the value of AD. So the area of this unknown rectangle, this is 9 square units. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.